we're going to talk about today is your initial treatment and your weekly treatments. Provided in every container is a 4-ounce scoop and a chart based on that size on how much you should be using. This is also giving you a list of all different pool sizes to make it simple for you as the end user. So let's go into the initial treatment. For your initial application of C-Pool mineral treatment, sprinkle lightly on the water surface, avoiding all coping and stairs. Make sure to do this around your entire pool based on your chart. This will allow the minerals to absorb in the water at a natural rate. After your initial application, C-Pool will eliminate all of the algae, clarify your water, and flock all of the suspended particles to the bottom of your pool. For best results, make sure to run your filter for the next 2 days, doing a backwash once in the morning and once in the evening. After that second day, make sure to vacuum up all of the suspended particles that have flocked to the bottom of your pool. This will give you the clearest water and the best water for you and your family to swim in.